Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, because here I will be able to show you the first way of checking those numbers. It is using a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers, because probably you saw that we weren't be able to check the serial number. So let's enter the settings. Here we've got the second way to check. Let's tap on the system, let's enter about phone, and here we have to tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got the option IMEI information, and after tapping on it, we are able to check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you would like to check the serial number, it appears right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.